I'm Emma Lim from CHIJ Secondary. Congratulations to all the prize winners here today! I'm extremely grateful to be receiving this Mind Stretcher Special Achievement Award. I would like to express my gratitude to the teachers at Mind Stretcher, namely Ms. Mavis Tan, Mrs. Tang Hui San, and all the other teachers who have taught me since the time I attended my first bootcamp in Primary 6. As a curious learner, I always had a lot of questions. However, the Mind Stretcher teachers were all very patient and were willing and eager to answer my questions. Through this, they have boosted my love for learning. They also constantly pushed me and encouraged me to do my best. Moreover, the answering techniques taught at Mind Stretcher were easy for me to understand and apply in my various tests and exams. The practice questions given in the worksheet also allowed me to gain exposure to the various exam type questions. I love the feeling that I come out of each lesson a little more confident and a little less nervous to tackle my exam papers. I'm very pleased that I have been able to attain rather decent grades, thanks to Mind Stretcher. I would also like to express my utmost appreciation to my teachers in school, my family, and my friends who have supported me thus far. I never would have reached this stage without their guidance. Thank you, Mind Stretcher, for all your help, and all the best to all students. Remember, always keep challenging yourself, strive for the best, and most importantly, enjoy the process.